The fire department is an organization that is trusted very highly by the public. It's no wonder firefighters risk their own lives in order to save the lives of others. Traditionally, our dealings with the fire service have had to do with fire and fire hazards, but nowadays the term has gained a broader meaning. Firefighters deal with road accident rescues, the effects of storms, as well as many other cases. In virtually all of these situations, a more recent, invisible threat plays a significant role, i.e. electricity. Of course, such issues are normally handled by the energy specialists, but what if time is critical? Let's see how the firefighters of the Volunteer Fire Department in Gellerhof cope in such extreme situations. Firstly, the power connection conductors should be removed. To this end, with the help of an insulating emergency short circuit set, the connection wires should be brought together short circuit, causing the circuit protection to trip out and thereby disconnecting the power supply. Depending on the selected method of access to the conductors, whether it's by ladder or the car roof, firefighters must first be properly secured against falling from a height. Then, using the insulating wire cutting pole, cut the conductors one at a time. If possible, transfer the cut conductors onto the ground using an insulating pole with a hook. Secure the cut conductors. At the connection point, cut the conductors one at a time with an insulating wire cutting pole. Then, using the same pole, cut the tension clamp lug on both sides, which will cause the cable to fall to the ground. Secure the cut cable. With the help of the insulating fuse cover and insulating clamps, isolate the adjacent fuses. Using the BM holder with a protective sleeve, remove the first fuse. Proceed in the same way with the next fuses. If the fuses removal handles are damaged, cut the cable connectors one at a time using the insulating cutting tool. After cutting, the conductors must be bent to avoid accidental repowering. Damaged trees and branches remaining at height pose a serious risk to both those conducting the rescue and firefighting operation and to outsiders. Damaged trees and branches near to power lines are a particular hazard. A tool that's helpful in removing these hazards is a remote-controlled battery-operated chainsaw mounted on a telescopic insulating pole, which gives protection up to 110 kV and extends to a length of up to 9 meters. The saw is turned on and off using a convenient remote control. The saw's transport case has a built-in battery charger and can be powered from a car's 12-volt socket. One of the consequences of road collisions with electricity infrastructure may be an electric conductor or conductors lying on the vehicle or near to it. The inability to quickly determine whether a given conductor is live can delay the rescue operation. With the help of an insulating pole with a hook or a kit including a telescopic pole and an insulating hook pike, conductors can be easily and safely removed, allowing access to the injured person. Rescuing a person who has received an electric shock and is still in contact with the electrical equipment can cause electrocution of the rescuer. Any time spent on effectively isolating the power or confirming that the device is turned off may significantly reduce the victim's chances of survival. The only safe tool in this situation is an insulating pole with rescue hooks that allows rescuers to drag the shocked person away to a safe distance.